Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, where we talk about marketing, mindset, and how to make money online. If this sounds like you are on the right channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to make free cryptocurrency, more specifically Bitcoin, just for surfing the web. If this sounds interesting to you, you're going to make sure that you watch this video all the way through. Do not jump ahead and do not X out of this window. This is very, very simple to do. And I'm just really excited to get to be able to show you how to do this. I'm going to throw in a little bit of bonus content as well, where you can actually earn some free crypto just for learning about crypto. You're absolutely going to love this. And at the very end, I'm going to share with you my #1 recommendation of how to make money online. You guys, this is how I got started. And this is the #1 way I recommend that you make money online. This is how you break free from your 9 to 5, you guys. Get time back on your side and go out there and do things that are important to you in your life so that you can enjoy yourself and the things that are most important to you. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let me know down in the comments if you are ready to start earning some free cryptocurrency. Type make money online. Let me know that you were here. I always appreciate comments. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you share it, you guys, and make sure that you subscribe. Hit that bell notification and select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. So the name of the website that you're going to want to be at right now is called CryptoTab.net, you guys. And once you get here, what you're going to see is this page right here. And as you can see right up here at the top where it says earn Bitcoins while using your browser, this is exactly what's going to be happening. You do not need to be searching for anything that anyone's telling you to search for. You're just going to browse the web as you normally would, and you're going to start earning free Bitcoin just for browsing the web just like you normally would. And I'm going to show you how simple this is, you guys. This is so simple. So most of you guys out there, I'm willing to bet, are probably using Google Chrome. And what CryptoTab is basically just another web browser, and it looks and feels exactly like Google Chrome, except the only difference is in the background, this thing is mining Bitcoin. It has an engine built into it, and while you're online, watching videos, chatting, surfing the web, your favorite sites, whatever it is, you are going to be earning free cryptocurrency in the background. As long as your browser window is open, you are going to be earning free cryptocurrency because it's going to be mining this in the background, all on autopilot. There's nothing special that you need to be doing. Now, I'm going to show you another step right after this where you can actually change your homepage and actually earn even more free cryptocurrency that way. So stick with me here because I got a lot of information, and this is very simple to do. A couple really cool key things that I want to point out, you guys, is that this can be done on your tablets and smartphones as well. You do not have to have a desktop or laptop computer to be able to use CryptoTab Browser and get paid just for browsing the web by using this web browser. If we move down the page here just a little bit, you can see that you can actually use your smart devices as well. And if we check this out over here in the Google Play Store, it says right here, earn Bitcoins on your Android. If we click on this, it's going to take us over to the Google Play Store, and you can see right here that this has been rated by 25,759 people, roughly 5 stars there, you guys. People absolutely love this. They are making free cryptocurrency, Bitcoin more specifically, just for using this web browser. It's a no-brainer. I don't know why everybody is not doing this. I think they just don't know about it, and that's why I'm trying to get the word out. If we look at it real quickly over here on the Apple App Store, you can see that it's been rated 4.2 stars by 221 people. So again, people really love CryptoTab Browser. It's very simple to do, you guys. Actually, I'm using this right now. I use this as my everyday browser. It's very fast. It's very lightweight. They talk about that right up here at the top, about it being a Chrome-based experience. It has built-in CryptoTab mining, just like I said. And then, so, when I was thinking, when I first got started using this, it was like, well, I'm so used to Google Chrome. I have all my favorites in here. I have all my bookmarks. Everything that I use was in Google Chrome. Well, they make it very simple because they have a built-in thing that actually helps you sync everything across multiple devices and transfer over all the stuff that you have in Google Chrome right over to CryptoTab Browser. And again, it's very fast and lightweight. You're not going to notice any differences while using CryptoTab Browser. If you have an extra second, you can actually click on this video right here that you see in the middle and watch a brief explanation of exactly how this works. They break it down and make it very, very simple for you guys to understand if anything that I'm talking about right now does not make sense. Another thing that you can do for everyone out there that's wanting to become an affiliate marketer, this is a great program to actually use in your own affiliate marketing program, you guys. Even if you just have friends and family, you guys check this out. Click up here where it says affiliate. You can sign up as an affiliate for CryptoTab, and then they pay you all the way up to 10 levels deep. You can start growing your own mining network and start getting a percentage of everybody that you refer to this, and their friends of friends of friends who they're referring start getting a percentage of all the mining activity that's going on. For example, if you just use this calculator right here, the way that they have it set up at the bottom, you can actually toggle this around and move this, but we're going to leave it at 5, how they have it set right now. You can calculate how much you could earn monthly just by inviting 5 people and how many friends they led. So if those 5 people led 5 more people and it trickled down all the way to the 10th level, you guys, if we hit calculate my income, you can see here just how much money you could be making. I believe this is monthly. Your monthly income could be $40,000, $636. Now, is everybody going to do that? Is that going to play out? Most likely probably not, but it is possible. You can do this. And let's just say you just had a fraction of this. Let's just say you're making $1,000 a month just by referring this out and to your friends and family. To refer this to 5 people, you guys, that is not very hard. If you try this out, it's very easy to get excited about it and tell people about it, because you can actually use it, you can actually believe in it, and people can tell when you are, actually believe in something and actually trust something. So great way to earn some extra money just by becoming an affiliate and actually, sharing this. You could create a video just like I'm doing. However you would like to do that, whether you're using Instagram, whatever you're doing to actually generate traffic as an affiliate, this is a great way to get started. Moving back to the homepage where we started, you guys, if you are excited about this, if you want to start earning your free Bitcoin just for surfing the web, just like you normally do every single day anyways, make sure that you check out the link down in the description, you guys. I've left a link down there for you. You can click on that. It'll bring you directly to where you need to go to download this in the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, whether it's for an Apple, Mac OS, or a Windows PC. You can get that downloaded and get started today. Very, very simple to do. If you need more information, you want to click right here where it says learn more. It's going to bring you over to this page right here. And like it says, this is the world's first mining browser. It's fast, secure, it's profitable, and you get paid just for surfing the web. It's a no-brainer. They already have more than 9 million users across the globe using this already. And like I said, you guys, I've tested this out. I'm using this. I absolutely love it. If you come down the page here, they break it down just a little bit, more for you. I'm not going to get too much into this, but like I said, you can effortlessly import all your data from Google Chrome or any other web browser and synchronize it into this web browser right here. Just like Google Chrome, if you're used to using a bunch of different extensions and stuff that make your browsing experience easier, you can do this on this as well. Very, very simple to do. And then you're going to be mining Bitcoins yourself, and you can invite friends just like we were talking about by becoming an affiliate. It's very, very simple. One other crucial thing that I want to point out is that you want to set CryptoTab Browser as your default web browser to maximize your revenue and make the most Bitcoin possible, you guys. Now, the reason you set this as your default web browser is because that way, every time that you're browsing the web, you are going to have this window open. And the more that you're using this web browser, and the longer that you have this web browser open, the more that it's going to be working in the background, mining Bitcoin for you, completely on autopilot. So you want to have this open as much as possible. And the way to do this is to set this as your default web browser so that you're not accidentally using Google Chrome or some other, web browser such as like maybe Firefox. Alrighty, let's go ahead and step this up a notch, you guys, and make even more money browsing the web. I want to introduce you to PreSearch.org. I'm going to leave a link for this down in the description as well. You can click on that. It'll bring you directly to this page. It'll help you get signed up so that you can start making even more money just for surfing the web, just like you would every day anyways. So the first thing that you want to do after you're signed up for PreSearch.org, you guys, is you want to set this as your default homepage so that you're conducting all of your searches on the internet through PreSearch.org. Now, if you're worried at all that you don't want to deviate from Google or DuckDuckGo or whatever it is, whether you're searching, Facebook, Twitter, any of those sites, don't worry, because you can actually toggle between the different search engines from presearch.org. The only thing is that you are going to be launching from this page right here, but it's going to utilize Google's search engine. So just for example, once you're signed up right here, what you're going to do, just like Google, is it has a search bar right here, and you're going to search for whatever it is that you are searching for. For this example, I'm just going to search for myself, and we're going to type in Chad Bennett live, and let's just see if we can find me on Google. And I want to show you just as an example what happens when you search through here. So we're going to type that in. We're going to hit enter. It's going to do its search. It flips up a little coin. It shows you a quick ad for a couple seconds, and it's going to direct you over to Google just like you intended to in the first place, except the only difference now is that you got paid for that. And I'll just take it a step further, just for this example, and we'll click on this and then show you that this is not no type of scam. It brought me exactly, where we were trying to actually search for. So if we back up, you can see here that I actually got paid for that. Every time you run a search, it populates that a little bit more. If we click on this right here, you can see all the different search rewards, and you can also sign up as an affiliate for these guys as well and refer people to actually use this site. And the more people that you refer, you can get, paid for their searches as well. So another really cool way to make some extra money just for referring this and just for surfing the web, just like you normally would every single day anyways. Combine this with CryptoTab Browser, you guys. It is a great way to start making some money just browsing the web. Alrighty, you guys, you stuck with me till the very end of this video. And like I said, I was going to give you a bonus if you stuck with me through this entire video. And you guys are absolutely going to love this. So I want you to imagine now that you've been browsing the web, you've been earning all of this cryptocurrency just for surfing the web, just like we've been talking about. And now you're wondering, great, now what do I do with this cryptocurrency? How do I, where do I transfer that to? How do I buy? How do I sell it? How do I actually turn that into, cash that I can actually use if I don't want it to be cryptocurrency anymore? And what you're going to need is a CryptoTab wallet, you guys. Now, if you're not familiar with what a wallet is, it's just a place where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency, where you can actually hold all of the different cryptocurrencies that you own. So what I highly recommend is Coinbase.com, and this is where we're at right now. Now, you can get started. I have a link down in the description for this as well. Simply click that link, you guys. It's going to bring you over to Coinbase.com, you guys. These guys are very well respected, very, great reputation. Cannot recommend them enough. Click the link down in the description. Get signed up. Now, once you're here, once you're signed up, what you're going to notice, and this is the bonus part, for sticking with me, you're going to absolutely love this. You can earn up to $186 worth of cryptocurrency just for learning about cryptocurrency. So if you don't know much about cryptocurrency, you want to learn more about it, or you just want to make some money, period, you can earn up to $186 worth of cryptocurrency just for learning about cryptocurrency, you guys. You can click it up here, or you can click it right down here. So I'm going to take you through this really quickly. We're going to click Start Earning. And like I said, you're going to earn cryptocurrency while learning about crypto. Now, every single one of these is a different module, a different course that you can go through. And so you can earn these different types of cryptos by going through these courses and then taking these small quizzes after you've watched these videos. So they have Orchid OXT right here, and they're going to teach you about each different cryptocurrency, you guys. So you're going to be very, very knowledgeable about all these different cryptocurrencies, and you're going to be earning money for doing this as well. You can see right here, this one is 52 OXT. We got 6 XTZ right here, and these are different types of cryptocurrencies. They got DAI, 20 DAI, 50 EOS, 50 XLM, and then $8 of BAT or basic attention token. Just endless ways to make some extra free cryptocurrency, you guys, that you can buy and sell and trade all right here on Coinbase and turn this into monetary cash that you can transfer directly to your own bank account. So for example, we'll click on one of these right here. We'll click on the DAI one because that one's closest to the dollar, I believe. They try to aim for this cryptocurrency to be worth exactly what $1 US is worth. But for example, you can come through here and you can click on these, and each one of these is, a different video and a different length. So for a 2-minute video, you can earn up to 2 DAI, which is somewhere around probably $2. Each one of these modules is the same thing. You'll click on this, you'll watch the video, you'll take a short quiz, and you can start earning cryptocurrency that gets deposited directly into your wallet right on this site. It does not get any easier or better than this. You're going to absolutely love this. Just a small disclaimer though, this is very, very popular. I have heard that sometimes people get put on a wait list just to be able to do this. But however, this is a bonus content, and this is a great way to start earning some extra cash. Even if they do put you on a wait list, that's fine, you guys. Wait till you get your email and go ahead and take these courses and start earning up to $186 worth of crypto just for learning about it. So there you have it, everybody. That's going to be a wrap. Go out there, start earning your free Bitcoin, your free cryptocurrency, you guys. Cash that out. Let me know how it works out for you down in the comments. show some love. I always appreciate the comments. I always appreciate the likes. If you found any valuable content at all, make sure that you smash that thumbs up, you guys. That is super important. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell notification, select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I am coming out with new videos every single week, just like this one, teaching you the best ways to make money online. Make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description, you guys. That is where I got started about 7 months ago, and I have spent so many years fumbling around trying all kinds of different types of businesses, you guys. That is the best way to start making money online. If you want to break free in 2020, if you want to quit your 9 to 5 and you want a real life of freedom, that is where you want to get started. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.